Hi, I'm John Long.
Hi, I'm Mason Morgan with Vista Roofing.
And first we want to thank you for choosing Vista Roofing for your roof replacement. Today we're just going to go over a few things of what to expect when the material arrives and the preparation for your full roof replacement. Every roof begins with planning because every home is different, every roof is different. This is a time that we can evaluate the home, ensure that it gets the attention it deserves and the protection that it requires.
So after our team is absolutely sure that we can handle your project, we like to schedule a time for the material to be dropped off a day before the project starts.
The supervisor will then be sent to your property to ensure that everything is received and is in order for your roof replacement.
Every project has a production manager.
And every project has a superintendent. They will be on site from start to finish to ensure that your project runs smoothly and gets the quality it deserves. The day of production, our team begins the roof removal around daybreak, but not before we protect your property. One of the tools we use is called the catch-all system. This system consists of a series of mesh nets. What this does is it puts a barrier around the house where the shingles can come off. This system allows us to protect your home as best as possible.
We also pride ourselves in keeping your property clean. And one of our ways of doing this is with the Equipter. This dumpster on hydraulics allows all the debris that's coming off on the roof to be disposed of properly. We also take the time to make sure that all plants, gardens, driveways, sidewalks, and AC units are fully protected.
With confidence that the property is safe and clean, our team ensures the job site is ready for production. And after that, the roof tear-off begins. The main goal of the tear-off is to make sure that we have a clean and solid foundation for the new roof system. It also gives us the visibility to see if your decking needs any sort of attention. If so, we'll take the action needed to make sure that your home is protected.
Once we are sure that the roof decking is inspected and repaired, we'll move on to installing the new roofing system. This process begins with the installation of the drip edge. Then we install a CertainTeed WinterGuard sand and ice and water shield and the Roof Runner synthetic felt. Then we apply starter shingles to the eaves and rakes. For vertical walls, we add new flashing. Then we begin the installation of the landmark architectural shingles, ensuring that they are applied in a stair-step method which is required to warrant the roof.
Also, after every job, we take the time to register every manufacturer warranty to ensure that your roof is protected in every way. We then add the proper ventilation, which may include ridge vents, solar power attic fans, or smart vents. Ventilation is important.
Once everything is complete, our team will come down and we'll clean up everything. Our entire team scans the property and ensures that all the trash has been picked up. One way of doing this is with the rolling magnets. What our eyes cannot see, the magnets will pick up. We take pride in the cleanliness of our job sites.
After this, the only thing left to do is have our supervisors inspect the roof and ensure that our team gave you the roof that is not only up to our standards, but one that your home deserves.
We want to thank you again for trusting Vista Roofing with your home's roof replacement, and we're excited to serve you.
See you soon.